It is a time to clean the kitchen.
There are many dishes today. I will turn on the water.
The water is flowing quickly. Oh, this water is very cold. I need some soap for the grease.
This sponge is very soft. The plate goes into the sink. Just one drop is enough. Look at all the bubbles.
I am working very hard. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh. The sponge cleans the surface. This fork is very shiny.
Wood is different from ceramic. Cold water is still good.
The soap is very slippery.
I must keep my sweater dry. The garden looks peaceful today.
This bowl is quite heavy.
I am rinsing the soap now. Who else? My hands feel very chilly. Movement helps my hands. Oh. I can see myself. Glass is very fragile. The rack holds the dishes.
Pile. I must be safe with knives.
I love my cozy house. Something is at the bottom.
I am doing a great job. Here we job. Our papataric job.
Time is moving slowly. The apples look very fresh. That is a funny sound.
This towel feels very thick.
Now the plate is bone dry. The dishes are organized now. Everything has a place. My eyes see a clean room. My hair is a bit messy. My hair is a bit messy. I love listening to music.
The pipes are under the sink.
The bin is almost full.
The sunset is starting now.
My skin feels very smooth. Hygiene is very important.
The soap smells wonderful.
My bed looks so soft.
A little light is good. I am very sleepy now. Good night, kitchen. Good night, house. The moon is round and bright tonight. Sara is sleeping under the warm covers. The house is very quiet at night.
Sara is dreaming while her mind rests.
It is a new morning and the sky is pink. Good morning, happy home.
Everything is tidy today.
Cooking is a fun activity. Oh, yeah, Auntie. This is very healthy. The air is fresh today.
I am getting ready to leave.
The zipper is very smooth. I look ready for the day. Goodbye, cozy house. The world is very big. Nature is very pretty. The water is very still. It is good to be home. The fire is glowing in the cozy living room.
Chores make our house a home. Goodbye.